मुझे इतना पता था कि इंश्योरेंस मैं भर सकता हूँ, प्रीमियम मैं भर सकता हूँ, बट असली चैलेंज और असली कहानी वहाँ होती है जब क्लेम आता है। My name is Abhinay Ranjan Sinha. I am based in Surat, Gujarat. My family composes of my elder brother, his family, my mother and father, and myself. Financial planning, there is a saying, without insurance, there should be no investments. इंश्योरेंस में जैसे हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस है, टर्म इंश्योरेंस है, कार है तो कार इंश्योरेंस है, प्रॉपर्टी इंश्योरेंस है, और घर में ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग का हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कवर्ड है। और बेसिकली एनी प्रॉब्लम्स को फेस करने के लिए हम इंश्योरेंस कवर करके रखे हैं फॉर एनी मिस हैपनिंग्स टू आवर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी। जब मेरे ऊपर खुद क्लेम आएगा, वो मेरे हाथ पे नहीं है, वहाँ पे बहुत मल्टीफैक्टोरियल चीज़ें होती हैं, राइट फ्रॉम कंपनी और आपके जो कॉर्पोरेट एजेंट्स है लाइक वन एश्योर, वो वहाँ पे उनका बहुत अहम रोल होता है। सो आई वॉज गोइंग ऑन माई स्कूटी टू ए मीटिंग and it was the month of August, and there was a construction site going on the road, and a car was coming from the right side. I was going in my correct lane. Because of the construction side and the hindrance in my eyesight on the right side, a car suddenly approached in front of me, and I have to apply sudden brake of my scooty. And it rained just 10 minutes ago, so the road was a bit wet. So my scooty skid, but I didn't hit the car. I just stopped it, but the whole load came on my left knee, and the ligament in my left knee, one of the ligament, it was broken. So upon 1 month of healing of myself and MRI reports, I went for opinion with the doctors, and they asked me to operate on the knee called a ACL reconstruction surgery. So then, one assured, I immediately informed them on the day of the incident that this has happened to me, and these are some of the documents. I was in contact with them right from day one, and they guided me that you keep these documents, these will come handy. Don't worry, we are there with you. And I was communicating with them through email. So when the surgery date took place, and then the claim process started after maybe 2 or 5 days of my recovery. Then I took a insurance from SDFC Ergo. One Assure connected to the team of insurance, and it was a journey of around maybe 30-35 days, and the claim was sorted out. And then after that, receiving my claim, then physiotherapy was going on in the recovery phase. The physiotherapy bill also we placed, that was also cleared from the insurance company with the help of the team of One Assure. वो चीज़ को देखते हुए वन एश्योर की जो एक्सपीरियंस है, they make it very clear that we have to go here, because in future we have to not regret our decision of taking an insurance, where we are finding it difficult to get our claims, because that's a hard reality that we are facing in our country today.